Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to turn on floating button on iPhone. First thing you do is click on your settings, then scroll down to accessibility, tap on it, go to touch, under physical and motor, tap on touch, then you see the option for assistive touch, tap on it, and then you turn it on. That is how now you can see the floating button here. And if I tap on the floating button, there are many things under it. I can also decide to customize my top level menu by adding or removing icons. If I want to add, I click on add. If I want to remove, click on remove. Get it? So you can also reset and also take it back. Choose the action, single tap, or the double tap, long press, 3D touch. So you can choose what you want a single tap to do. There are many options. You can choose what you want double tap to do, long press, 3D. You can even create new gestures. You can create new gestures and what they mean. You can choose the pointer devices. You can choose mouse keys. You can choose to show on-screen keyboard. You can choose to always show menu, or you can also turn it off. You can perform touch gestures, or you can turn it off. You can also use game controller. If you want to use game controller, you turn it on over here. Track accessibility, you can edit that. There are many things, movement turning hot, confirm with assistive touch. You can even use assistive touch to confirm payment with your passcode. So that's it. That is how to turn on floating button on iPhone. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe for more. Thank you.